with your design and you're trying to connect one frame to another to create a prototype. And when you go here, click on the trigger as on click, action is navigate to, and then when you go on the destination part, it doesn't show your frames and you're like, what's happening? So what is happening is that your screens might be framed inside a frame. So this is also a frame. That is why it's not showing you the separate frames. So the solution to this is right click on your bigger frame where all your screens are living and just convert it to a section, or you can ungroup it and the frames could be by itself, right? As soon as I convert it to a section, and now when I go into that click interaction, you will start seeing the other frames, right? So that's one way. And the other way I just told you is like just ungroup it, then your screens are like that. And then again, when you go here, navigate to destination, your frames are going to start showing. So this is how you solve for this. I hope this helps. If you have any other requests or questions, please comment below. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.